In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online, and we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can do it efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're a seasoned user, you're probably familiar with this process, but if you're new, just head to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you with a few options, and you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online. After you've selected QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your credentials. This includes your username and your password. It's always a good idea to double check for any typos to ensure a smooth login experience. Once your credentials are typed in, hit continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to follow any additional steps to verify your identity. Now that you're logged in, let's get into the search functionality. QuickBooks Online offers a handy tool for locating specific transactions or entries, and it's as simple as using a magnifying glass. Head over to the top right corner of your dashboard and you'll see the magnifying glass icon, which acts as your gateway to the search feature. Go ahead and click on it. With the search bar open, you're ready to type in what you're searching for. You might be looking for transactions, invoices, or other essential records. QuickBooks makes this easy by providing suggestions and populating potential matches as you type. This predictive search tool is particularly helpful if you're unsure of what exactly to search for, or if you're dealing with large amounts of data. Interestingly, QuickBooks Online Search can handle a variety of keyword entries, and it's smart enough to recognize and bring up relevant results swiftly. Whether you're pulling up a recent transaction or diving back into records from months ago, this feature will save you time and effort. Just remember to keep your search terms clear and relevant to get the best results. And there you have it. This quick yet powerful feature will surely bolster your efficiency in managing your financial data in QuickBooks Online. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to access and use the search function to keep track of everything you need swiftly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy searching.